Good morning. Triple Witch Monthly 3/16/2012 in a rip-roaring bull cycle. Now, having said all of that, we're going to be taking a look at Peabody Energy Corp, BTU. We're going to be taking a look at the weekly chart. And the one thing that we like about it is that as it dips down and or finds the support levels, we would like to really get wholesale. I mean, if we could get down here around that 23.5 on 5,000 and right around that 24.50 on, quite a few more. And let's say if you could cap more at, right now you got support right here at 30. This is where that weekly trend started right here. So we know where we're at. As far as is the bottom going to hold or not will be, you can see the weekly reversals here. And it's been in a weekly sell signal. What do we like to do? We like to buy the dogs that are good. And one of the things that we're going to do is when we buy one of the dogs, then we're going to get short one of the overbought bull run stocks against the long here. So that way we have a diversified play that will go along with the accumulative BTU Peabody Energy weekly. So this is the weekly technical damage MMTs. And what I want people to know is that when you get back over here into the 09 period, you can clearly see MMT where that these price levels are. Wow, right over here where I said I would want to buy them. So, by going back and looking over time, and there's even a lower market over here. Now, it will be on our focus list, the SMF focus list. And we'll be focusing all of these areas this is all the way back in 2009, lows way down here now. It was a great buy. However, we're looking at doing it again. And so there are other price levels. I just want people to see some of the price levels here. 2740s down in here. Here's that 2511. There's a spread between there and here. So having said that, we're going to watch what we know what was going on over here and how bearish of a chart that it is, because it is. So what? What is the company worth? And why does it bounce? And, we shorted these things at the highs. We've always, but we're looking at these price levels, and we're going to see how this thing sets up over time and when the story changes. Another one I'm going to focus very quickly, forgetting flag, is NOV. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead, put NOV in here on a weekly level. Now, this level, I'm sorry, the chart changed somehow. I can show a daily to you, and, well, actually, the monthly is better. So let's try NOV on a monthly level and see what it gives us. It gives us this. There's something wrong. We're also featuring NOV. One of our MMTs has been hot on that stock for several years. And the thing about it is, it was a great short up here. So one of the things that I would like to point out is that the counter trend off of that support level from this reversal level right here has come up. It filled in where this gap was, as you can see. And now it's at a major support level. Now, MMT, what you're going to be looking for is the 50-day simple moving average, because it is a daily chart. That's the white line right here. You can see the 10 crossing over the 20. You can see how these tops and this reversal is there. So if we're going to trade this intraday and or accumulate the name, we want to buy the dips. at the best wholesale bid. Now, technically, the chart can look like what it wants to, what it does look like. It's where that market is where people are going to want to buy this. And there's a gap sequence right over here that I have this pencil at right here. Now, what I will tell you about NOV is putting that limit order out there today at about 78.55 pennies and get below the floor. It'd be nice to get it down there right about, but to start getting good down in there right around 75. But that means that this trend right here would have to break down, and NOV would really pull back where you would have great buying opportunity. Yes, this line right here. Well, Mr. Flag, that's 74.15, and that's the 100-day simple moving average. The green line down there, 71.24 handles, bam, 200-day simple moving average. Okay, one of the things, it's how do you buy the dip, and how do you get the right value, and then how do you put that value to work. Also, Brian Plain, if you would check the dividend yield and the balance sheets on it right now on National Oilwell Varco, because we need to find out a little bit about the last 8 quarters and where is their transition phases. And, so we need to figure out, we have to do a little bit of homework, which we'll do later on. All right, that's a special feature on NOV right here, and how to buy the pullbacks. Ken Flag, I'm going to put you in charge of NOV. I'm also going to put you in charge of BTU. And what you need to do is set the alarms, start setting alarms at $30.50 here up to the, so you got 30.50, 30.90, 31 and a quarter, and you're going to have the 31.55 drops down to. You're just going to want, every now and then, just keep a monitoring on BTU as well. Special presentation, BTU NOV.